In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unresponsive keyboard keys on your laptop inside of Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. Now, fix number one is to check if specific keys are physically stuck on your keyboard. So basically, dust or debris can stop keys from working properly. So turn off your laptop, gently clean around the affected keys, and then use compressed air if available. Now, restarting your laptop is also way that it can reload keyboard drivers and fix temporary glitches as well. Now, next fix is to go ahead and turn off filter keys. So Windows accessibility settings can sometimes ignore repeated or short key presses. So we need to get into accessibility. So click onto search, type settings. Once we're inside of settings, we want to click onto accessibility. To the right of that, scroll down, click on keyboard, and now we need to make sure to disable filter keys and even sticky keys as well. Now, once we're in settings as well, we can come back to the left hand side and click onto system, and we can run a troubleshooter. So click on troubleshoot inside of system. Now inside of system, troubleshoot, click onto other troubleshooters. Now, if you've got keyboard inside of here, go ahead and click on keyboard and click run. So say Windows Media Player is keyboard, go ahead and click on run, and that's going to run through that troubleshooter to see if there's any issues with your keyboard. Okay, let's move on to the next fix. So next fix is to go ahead and update the keyboard driver. So we need to get in the device manager. So click on the search, type device manager. Once device manager opens up, we want to expand keyboards. So here it is here, expand keyboards, and then we want to right click your keyboard and click on update driver, search automatically, and if there are any updates, it's going to go ahead and update those drivers for you.